Little update on the Minarelli MXS Racing Vortex Reed fit to the adapter. A lot of work to get this to fit. A lot of grinding. There's the deal to an aluminum plate. Normal Dio reed with a reed stuffer. That's what would go with these. You know, the reed stuffer goes in there. Yeah. I think I'm gonna use this and this and this. That way I'm actually flowing a true 28mm to match with the carb. Because the exhaust on that's 26. Shark fin racing head. Filled it with JB Weld to make it flow. Could have been better, but ports aren't the worst. Yeah. Shark fin racing head. Hopefully it's gonna give me the cooling. I had to grind it down to get it to fit. Took a lot of shaving. I do got a little aluminum gasket in there. Exhaust is looking pretty good. Single ring. Oh yeah. Upgraded clutch coming in for it. Rubber mounts for mounting. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a pull start on it. I'll mount it with a U-bolt mount and then a proper mount in the rear. And there's the updates. The plan for the Reed is just like I did this one out of an aluminum plate, because you know these normally look like this. Had to cut that to fit. That way it fits the minarelli. Now my plan is take that, cut it on that aluminum plate, make it fit this bolt pattern. That way I can actually fit the Vortex Reed, which will only fit in this if you Dremel it out a bunch, which these castings aren't the best. Does not fit in this. These are the same. Got an extra millimeter clearance on each side. Force them to fit in this. So, cut down, make another mounting plate, throw it on the engine. Hopefully that can go like that. And we'll throw that intake on it. Versus, you know, just running one of these. I'll do the covers and everything red. Jane Tensioner drilled this out. Yeah. A little update on the bike. There's MS660. But here's the frame I'm going to throw it on. I was riding and I blew that apart. The exhaust. But yeah. His frame. bigger front disc, hydraulic rear. Yeah, a little update on the MS660. And the YD100. Got that bracket on there to fit the disc brake, and got the big old 28mm carb. Skinny rim on front, works out pretty well. Yamaha Raz and a few other toys. That's that. For the expansion chamber, planning on doing this. Got my heat guards, got my exhaust, and then I'll cut this header off since it barely flows anything. Like, look at that gasket. And I'm gonna adapt it to this one, which flows a lot more. That way it's actually, you know, the true 28mm. And this gasket fits pretty well on this. For lineup. Compared to engine mounts with a Vortex Reed.